This is the daily briefing from Transport Topics for December 4th. I'm Esmeralda Leon. John Elliott, founder and executive chairman of Load One Transportation and Logistics, joins TT managing editor Seth Clevenger for an engaging discussion on onboard video, AI-enabled analytics, and how fleets can adopt these systems to enhance driver performance. Catch the road signs conversation at ttn.ws/episode 152. Now let's dive into the day's top stories. Attorneys for Werner Enterprises have asked the Texas Supreme Court to reverse a $100 million verdict against the company in a case involving a fatal accident. The case centers on a 2014 crash in which a pickup truck crossed a median and struck a Werner truck traveling in the opposite direction on a snowy highway. Werner has, during trials in lower courts, maintained that its driver could not have avoided the collision and did not share any of the fault. The crash resulted in the death of 7-year-old Zachary Blake. 2 other children and their mother, Jennifer Blake, suffered injuries, ranging from significant to permanent. The Fairfield Avenue Bridge on Interstate 95 in Norwalk, Connecticut reopened 7 months after a fiery crash destroyed it, with the project finishing 5 months ahead of schedule and $3.2 million under its $20 million budget. State and federal officials celebrated the rapid rebuild as a model for infrastructure efficiency, emphasizing the need to streamline regulatory processes while maintaining safety standards. The new structure accommodates wider shoulders, ADA-compliant sidewalks, and essential utility lines. Federal funding is expected to cover most of the costs. Shouty Ho, ex-CEO and co-founder of TuSimple, is seeking to liquidate the company's remaining $450 million assets, alleging mismanagement and unauthorized transfers to Chinese subsidiaries. Ho filed for a U.S. restraining order and injunctive relief to prevent further financial moves he claims compromise shareholder interests. The dispute centers on redirected funds from autonomous truck development to unrelated ventures such as animation. TuSimple left the U.S. autonomous trucking space in December 2023. That's it for today. Remember, for all the latest trucking and transportation news, go to the experts at ttnews.com.
Spoken Layer.